Welcome to today's video. For starters, this is my first attempt at like a full how-to video. I was talking with some people and they said maybe try some shorter form content so I can get it up faster, and it's shorter so I don't lose people's attention. This is going to be a full how to install rain guards. It's a lot easier with two people, but I'm at home with nobody around. So I'll show you how I've done it in the past and how I will continue to do it in the future. Yeah, let's get started. So the first thing when you're installing rain guards, you want to make sure your surface area is nice and clean and free of dust. Usually I use isopropyl alcohol. I don't have any with me, but I did just clean off the car like 2 days ago pretty well. So I'm just going to wipe it off. Should be fine. There's no grease or anything that'll make it not stick. So what I like to do is just, first thing, you got to make sure that it's the right one to fit. I had these on the car previously, so I know they're the right ones. And what I like to do, I've had them on before, so that I have a little bit of marking in my paint from where they used to sit. So I like to line it up there, and then have tape ready. So yeah, you pretty much line it up where you want it. And then yeah, right about there. I like to tape it on the top and bottom so it's not loose. And then go down and adjust accordingly. Yeah, right there. I'm attaching it on the top and leaving the bottom not attached. So when I come to pull off the tape, it's relatively easy to get to. So there's two-sided tape on the back side. And I like to peel the first little bit and then get it stuck down. One thing I also like about this method is it leaves a little bit of wiggle room because the tape isn't 100% like rock solid. So I just start it right at the bottom and slowly go and peel it off. Make sure all the corners are lined up as you go. Now this tape I can take off. You just hold it exactly where you want it as you pull the red tape from behind. There's a little bit of bendability to most of these. So I like to kind of bend it in a little bit as I go, just to make sure everything's perfect. And then on the back here, it looks like it's really high, so I'm going to pull it down. Pull it down to the right height, and then pull that right off. Oh yeah, lots of room for the window and everything. It's good. So yeah, really easy. I'll bring you over to the other side and do some close-up shots so you can see exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So side B, same thing, just wipe down where your tape is going to be. Just right about there. Okay. So for this side, let's get you zoomed right in. The 3M tape on the back of this is super nice. It's always hard to start though. This time I'm pulling it down because that's the way it wanted to pull. So just slowly have it all lined up. These rain guards, I got them from HIC. Their website is hicusastore.com. I believe they're only shipping within the continental US right now. Maybe if you contact them, they might go international, but on their website, they say they only ship US. I've had these and I've been one of their customers for like 8 years. So my car is actually on their website. So as I go, let's keep you in frame here. Pull the tape off. I had taken them off and put them on when I had the car wrapped. So when I unwrapped the car, they had to come off, and I just didn't put them back on. But they are real easy to work with. The nice thing about these ones, the old Japanese are like 20 years old, and like if you do this, they'll break pretty much. But these are still super flexible because they've been made in the last decade. So, oh, that was 2 pieces. So since it was in 2 pieces, I'm gonna go from the back and pull forward. And voila, just like that. Very easy to do, and even by yourself. Ta-da! So not only do they make it look a little bit cooler, but they're literally rain guards. So you can have your window cracked open a little bit while it's raining. And stay dry. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like the short format video, if you want me to make longer ones, shorter ones. If you don't like it, let me know in the comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you guys later.